Most laser engraver reviews focus on specs, power levels, and settings. This one's not going to do any of that. That's because this laser engraver wasn't designed for those spec-obsessed, setting-tweaking nerds. It was designed for people who actually want to make something. And if you've ever felt like you needed an engineering degree just to make something, this video might save you a lot of time and frustration. Yeah, the nerds ain't gonna like this one. Let me show you why. The WeCreat Vision is a diode laser engraver with an enclosed body, an HD camera, and really one job: make laser engraving simple. You don't need riser legs, you don't need safety glasses, you don't even need to think very hard. The goal here is smooth, clean, worry-free laser engraving right out of the box. So let's start with the reason that this laser engraver isn't for nerds. It adjusts itself. Literally, the entire laser head moves up and down automatically depending on how thick the material is that you're engraving. No riser legs, no focus gauging, no math at all. I don't even get to manually stack plywood blocks under it. That was my favorite part. Sorry, buddy, this thing just figures it out and moves itself into place. You just pop your material in there. It measures the thickness and just starts engraving. Done. Next up, the built-in HD camera. This one's a big deal. The software shows you a pop-up of everything inside the laser, and then you just drag your image right over to where you want it, and you're good to go. There's no guesswork, no measuring, and most importantly, no wasted cuts. What happened to rules? I printed out graph paper for this. Sorry, buddy, no rulers needed. The software comes with something called the Quick View Materials Matrix. You just select what material you're using, and it shows you a grid with different power and speed settings. Everything from light to dark. No need to trial and error your way through like 100 different test pieces. It's basically a how dark you want it slider in the form of a grid, and it actually works. Next reason, this thing is fully enclosed. The lid blocks the harmful light and keeps fumes contained. There's even a fan that pulls the smoke out of the back of the machine. That means no safety glasses, no smoke in your face, and no exposed laser beams flying all around your workshop. That's why it's a Class 1 laser device. It's safer by design. I bought these welding goggles to make sure I didn't burn my retinas. What am I supposed to do with them now? Oh, I'm sure you'll find some use for them there, friend. You can even sign up for their membership with a ton of ready-to-go templates for leather, paper, wood. The possibilities are endless, and it's updated all the time. There's designs for signs, coasters, keychains, mugs, puzzles, you name it, they probably have it. Oh, and that membership, it includes an AI designer, which surprisingly works very well. WeCreat uses its own software called Make It, and it actually works pretty good. You open it up, load your design, connect the laser, and you're off to the races. But I already built a spreadsheet of Gerbil G-code commands for optimization. And what about LightBurn? I haven't tried it yet, but supposedly you can use LightBurn software with this machine as well. Venting out the smoke is probably one of the only parts that you do actually have to set up. But it was pretty easy. All I did was attach the enclosed hose to some ductwork and piped it outside my shop. So there is a duct, but there was no fancy measurements or calibrations involved with it. Just a rotozip to cut the hole and a dryer vent stuck in there, which makes my shop much more enjoyable since it's not filled with stinky smoke. Let me show you how I use this to make something really cool. No measuring, no guessing. This is all default. Clean, sharp, and consistent. I realize that some of us are still nerds and we still want to do the complicated stuff. Like I said before, this laser works great with LightBurn. You can create SVGs in software like Photoshop or Illustrator or CorelDRAW and import them into the software. And you can manually override the power and the speed settings and tweak it so you can adjust it and get it dialed in perfectly. Oh, thank God. But if you want to start laser engraving right away, without having to have a special degree in anything, this laser is exactly for people like you. Well, if this machine isn't for nerds, then who exactly is it for? Hey, buddy, I'm glad you asked that question. This machine is made for artists, for crafters, for people that want to sell stuff on places like Etsy or Facebook Marketplace, and for us DIY folks who like to screw around with different things. If you want to get the ideas out of your head and into your hands, then this laser is the tool. Now let's talk about what this laser isn't. This laser isn't going to cut massively thick amounts of wood, stuff like something an inch thick. It's not going to do a really good job at engraving metal because it's only a diode laser. You're going to have to use some type of marking spray or something on it if you want that. Or if you want deep engraving for industrial parts, yeah, this ain't the machine, buddy. But what it does do great is surface engraving and light cutting. Just realize it's not going to replace a 100-watt CO2 powered laser. The bottom line is this laser is designed for normal people. It's safe, it's easy, and it's fast. And yeah, nerds hate that stuff. So if you want a stress-free way to make awesome projects, the WeCreat Vision could definitely be your machine. Link is down in the description. I guess I'll go and organize my filaments. You go do that, buddy. We all grieve in our own different ways. Honest and sincerely, I love my WeCreat Vision. It's taken everything I've thrown at it like a champ. I've engraved leather. I've engraved wood. I've cut acrylic with it. I've even engraved marble with it. I wasn't really thrilled with the idea of learning a new software because I'd used Laser Gerbil before. But I have to say, the software for it is pretty good. There was a couple things that I wanted to do, some really custom things that I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to, but it turns out I could do pretty much anything I want with this software, and that's really exciting as well. Honestly and sincerely, this laser is definitely worth the money. Remember, Big Stacks grows, Big Stacks builds, and Big Stacks makes. And I'll see you guys next time on Big Stacks Small Workshop.